Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashaun Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC. And listen, I need you guys to share. I need you guys to share and share alike. I need you to like sharing, like the YouTube videos, yeah, and like the Facebook, yeah, and LinkedIn, finding or creating work that is meaningful, purposeful, and profitable. Share that. But listen, if you got an app on your phone that you like, I want you to share that with ease, right? For me, I like Regions Bank app. It got the Face ID, the little security. I can log in, I can see my accounts at a glance, you know what I mean? Just check balances like real easy so that card don't decline. All right, so here we go. Make it real simple. I'm gonna pull up Spotlight. Now, if you don't know what Spotlight is, you might need to get some teaching from Fedora. All right, but I'm gonna take 3 fingers, top of the screen.
Music. American Green Explicit. 21. Spotlight.
All right. You heard it? Boom. And so, let me see.
Button. Suggestions. Heading. R. Romeo. Regions Bank. American Bank Holding Company.
See what the R. Oh, there we go. All right. So, let's say if that was the app, Regions Bank, we're going to double tap and hold.
Maps. Heading. Regions Bank. Call. Button. Go. Button. Call. Maps. Regions. Regions. Suggestions. Regions.
All right. And so, you know why that didn't work? The reason why it didn't work is because I was on a Google suggestion. I don't need you to be talking about me. We still the best. You know why? Because we know how to course correct. All right. So now I'm going to double tap and hold. Listen, you don't know what a double tap and hold is. You might want to get some teaching from Fedora. A double tap and hold is a pap, and then you hold it. Watch this.
Dismiss context menu. Dismiss context menu. Dismiss dictate. Next keyboard. Search. Space. Emoji. Google Doc. HTTPS. Google Doc. Tap to show preview. Google Doc. HTTP. Copy. Share. Button.
All right. And then you just go to share, right? And you share that with whoever you want to share it with. You just double tap it and go to share. So listen, I got to get out of here, man, because I'm getting ready for this huge game-changing course that we're doing all across the state, and it is amazing. I love doing statewide projects. It just expands, you know, what's going on. And we look forward to seeing you in your city. All right, so listen, you guys know what it is, man. Let's change the world. Let's change the world together. Let's share and share alike using that double tap and hold. Listen, you can do that on your home screen. You can do that in the app chooser. You can do that using Spotlight. But what you can't do is share apps that you already have on your phone that everybody else has, like mail and messages and all that good stuff. You already got that. All right, let's change the world together.